Yes, so it begins.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for Hardin, Massac, Pope, southeastern Johnson, Callaway, Livingston, western Crittenden, Marshall, McCracken, southwestern Shriek, Graves, and western Lyon counties. At 4:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Vienna to near Metropolis to near Lone Oak to near Mayfield to near Fulgham, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage.
Oh.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Paducah, Murray, Mayfield, Metropolis, Benton, Calvert City, Vienna, Reedland, Lone Oak, Rose Eclair, Brookport, Salem, Golconda, Barkley Regional Airport, Berna, Ledbetter, Sedalia, New Columbia, Dixon Springs, and Joy. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Hardin, Johnson, Massac, and Pope, and the following counties in Kentucky: Callaway, Crittenden, Graves, Livingston, Lyon, Marshall, McCracken, and Shriek. A severe thunderstorm